Hi everybody, I'm Greg, and I'm going to show you how you can use an AI avatar in your Visla video project. The possibilities are endless, but I'll go over a few use cases to help you get started making video content as soon as possible. Visla is free to try and requires no prior video editing experience. I will note that you must be using a paid workspace in order to access the custom avatar feature. If you are a free user, you do have access to our public avatar library. To add an avatar to your video project, we'll use Visla's AI agent for video creation. Here, you can add a prompt and any assets you want to include with it. These assets could be images, videos, audio, URLs, PDFs, PowerPoint presentations, or anything you use to share information with others. Now we're at our planning stage. You'll see an avatar tab on the left side of your screen. This is where you can select a public avatar from our library or one of your custom avatars. The first menu option allows you to get a full motion preview of your avatar when previewing your video. If you turn this option off, your avatar will preview as a still image until you export your video. Video layout with avatar focuses on the placement or lack thereof of your avatar in your video. The AI dynamic layout option lets Visla decide the placement and sequencing of your avatar. If you select avatar over full screen, it will be center stage in front of AI generated wallpaper. If you select avatar over B-roll, it will overlay your B-roll footage. Lastly, we have the wallpaper option. Visla can generate a wallpaper behind your full screen avatar that matches the mood and tone of your video. So what types of videos are best suited for avatars? My quick answer is that you can use an avatar in any video that has narration in it. You're essentially putting a face to the voice. Or you could use an avatar to replace a guy like me. Any kind of text-driven, visually based, or speech-centric videos are most appropriate. This means your avatar can read your scripts on camera, conduct your presentations, or visualize your audio-based storytelling. Let's go into Visla's advanced video editor, and I'll show you how you can implement an avatar into your video project. This is what a Visla video project looks like with an avatar. You can drag, resize, and reshape your avatar to the most appropriate placement. If you change your script, no worries. Your AI narration will update and the avatar's lip sync will match once your video is exported. You can swap out your current avatar for a different one. If you decide you don't need an avatar for a project, you can also remove it, or add it back if you decide you want one later. If you generated a project without an avatar, you can always add one from this toolbar on the left or in the toolbar above your scene preview window. You can then drag, resize, and reshape the avatar as needed. And that's it. Visla's avatar feature is a terrific tool that you can implement in just minutes. It's never been easier to personalize a video than it is right now. Visla is free to try and requires no prior video editing experience. I'll remind you that you need to be using our paid workspace in order to access our custom avatar feature. The public avatar library, however, is free to use for all users. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.